Hey friends, welcome back. If your HP monitor won't turn on, don't worry, this is a common issue and most of the time it's something simple you can fix at home. Let's go through a quick and logical checklist to get your screen back on. Start with power. Make sure the monitor's power cable is pushed in firmly at both ends, the monitor and the wall outlet. Even a slightly loose connection can stop it from powering on. Try a different wall socket to rule out outlet problems, and if you have a spare power cable, swap it in to eliminate a faulty cord. Next, check the video cable. Whether you're using HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA, reseat the cable on both the monitor and the computer. A bad video connection can make it look like the monitor is dead when it's actually on. If pressing the power button does nothing at all, your HP monitor may have the control lock feature enabled. This can disable the power button by accident. To unlock it, press and hold the menu button on the monitor for about 10 to 15 seconds. Once unlocked, try turning the monitor on again. If the monitor still doesn't respond, unplug it completely and let it sit for a few minutes to discharge leftover power. Driver issues on the computer side can also cause a blank screen, so updating or reinstalling graphics drivers is worth checking. If none of these steps work, the issue may be internal hardware, and contacting HP support or a repair technician is the next step.